Welcome to HKBFC. Today I will teach you how to turn back on from bottom swipe gesture navigation bar function. After upgrading your phone to One UI 6.1, you will find the function is unable now. However, I have method to reopen it again. First of all, you need to go to Galaxy Store and search for Good Lock. It is an app designed by Samsung. Please download it. After downloading the Good Lock, open it and install. Left start. If you have installed it before, please uninstall it and reinstall again. And you will find buttons function. You can design your own buttons. At the right hand side is the swipe gesture function. Please turn on it and also turn on the enable extra gesture settings function. Now you need to go back to your phone settings and you will find that the from bottom swipe gesture function is back. Thanks for watching HKBFC. Please subscribe us. See you next time. Bye.